Now we're going to look at converting pounds and ounces to kilograms. This will be done more commonly in the pediatrician's office, because we know that when we weigh our infants and our children, that we weigh them in pounds and ounces. And so we have to be able to convert that to kilograms. So we're going to take the patient's weight in pounds and ounces, and we're going to convert that to kilograms. So the first thing we have to do is, when we look at, and let's kind of take a look at our weight here. Let's say our patient weighs 10 pounds and 2 ounces. So the first thing we have to do, it's a two-step process. So the first step is we need to convert our ounces to the nearest tenth of a pound. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to convert those ounces to a decimal. Now the conversion fact that we need to do with this is that we need to remember that there's 16 ounces in a pound. Okay? Then when we're finished with that, the next thing we need to do is that once we've converted that, we're going to add that back to the pounds. So now we're going to convert the total pounds to kilograms, and then we're going to round it to the nearest tenth. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at our weight of 10 pounds and 2 ounces. So I'm going to convert that first. So I'm thinking I need to go from a smaller to a larger unit, so I'm going to divide. So I'm going to take my 2 ounces, I'm going to divide that by 16, and when I do that, I'm going to come up with 0.1. Okay? Now I'm going to take this and add this back to my 10 pounds. So now my 10 pounds and 2 ounces now becomes 10.1 pounds. Now I can take this and I can convert this then to kilograms. And I'm going from pounds then to kilograms. So I'm going to think smaller to larger, which means I'm going to divide. So I'm going to take my 10.1 pounds, I'm going to divide that by 2.2 pounds per kilo, which now gives me 4.59. The last step into this is to round. So I'm going to take a look at I'm going to round at the tens place. I'm going to look at my number immediately to the right. This is larger than 5. So now what I need to do is I need to add 1 to my tens place. So I'm going to round now. So now I can say that 10.1 pounds is equal to 4.6 kilograms, because I've added the 1 because my number to the right was a 9.